Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code 4 in Premiere Pro. This frustrating issue typically signals problems with your media files, the software's cache, or a system resource conflict. Our first, simplest step is always to restart everything. Close Premiere Pro, then reboot your entire computer. Many minor software glitches clear up, and your system memory is refreshed, often resolving error code 4 instantly. Corrupted or simply outdated media cache files are a very common culprit for error code 4. To address this, open Premiere Pro's Preferences, then locate the Media Cache section. You will find a button there to delete all media cache files from your system. This process is completely safe. It prompts Premiere Pro to rebuild a fresh, clean cache the next time you open your project, often eliminating the error. Outdated or incompatible graphics card drivers frequently lead to performance problems and errors like code 4. It is essential to visit your graphics card manufacturer's official website, for example, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download their very latest stable drivers. Install these updates, then perform a system restart to finalize the installation. Also, verify your computer has at least 8 GB of RAM and a dedicated graphics card for optimal performance. Sometimes, incorrect project settings or even insufficient user permissions prevent Premiere Pro from accessing necessary files, triggering error code 4. Try launching Premiere Pro by right-clicking and selecting Run as Administrator. If that does not work, create a brand new project, then import your problematic sequence into it. Also, ensure all your media is stored on a local, fast drive, avoiding network locations, which can cause latency issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.